Did you know that a fast-growing business uses, on average, 37 software tools? Unfortunately, these platforms don't talk to each other, and all the valuable customer and market intelligence they hold lies undiscovered. Your engineers and analysts spend weeks downloading data, juggling spreadsheets, and chasing different teams for numbers. Even then, your meetings turn into debates about which numbers are right. Legacy BI tools are complicated and expensive. Spreadsheets are just not enough. To get value out of data, what you need is a single source of truth that's easy to set up and use by not just data engineers, but every analyst and business user in your team. An all-in-one platform that lets you curate, analyze, and visualize all your business data, and KPIs in one place, so you can focus on making better decisions without toggling spreadsheets.